And yes, it's hard for me to come out and speak, but I have to. I feel like I'm obligated because this can't happen anymore.
Missed signs, neglect, and anger. The usual three elements that play into mass shootings in the U.S. Jake Laird was an officer in Indiana who was shot and killed while responding to a shooting. The shooter was someone the police had been warned about before.
Officers had responded to someone who was obviously a mental disturbance and mental distress, and they recognized that he had weapons, but they had no recourse or no opportunity to take those away from him at the time. Later on, the officer responds back, and when he's shooting at the neighborhood, and the officer's unfortunately killed because of that. And because of that, that led to this law, which now is being called the Red Flag Law.
The Red Flag Law, known in Indiana as the Jake Laird Law, allows officers to confiscate firearms from anyone they deem a danger to themselves or others. The weapons are stored, and the case goes to court for a final decision. Inside of a storage unit in the Bloomington Police Department, they are currently holding on to nearly 75 confiscated firearms from people in the Bloomington community. Other states see this as a happy medium between the two political sides and have started to change their policy.
I think before the Parkland shooting, Indiana was one of only 5 states that have this. So look at these 5 states. Say, has this reduced the number of gun deaths? If it has, it might be something to consider.
Consider, so that warning signs don't go missed again. For IU Newsnet, I'm Courtney Sisk.